just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, higher than the highway. This girl is on fire. Fire, fire. This girl is on fire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Bob and my channel is on health, lifestyle, and beauty. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I pick my afro. Yes, your girl hair can turn into an afro. So 4 days ago, you guys recently saw that I did a twist out using the Curls products, and now I want to show you guys my hair after it's been twisted out for 5 days. So this is a 5-day-old twist out. Okay, this is pretty much what I'm looking like. So as you guys can see, I still have a lot of that curl definition in my hair, but overall I really wanted you guys to see how big my hair actually gets after styling. About 5 to 7 days after wearing a style, I do like to comb out my hair and see how big it gets. Now I love doing this because it detangles my hair, but it also shows me how long my hair has gotten. And y'all, using Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp has helped a lot with growth, but also using that bonnet dryer when deep conditioning has also really helped my hair grow. So I just kind of want you guys to see my hair when it's styled, wet, when it's dry, and then I want you guys to kind of see my afro. So for this video, I'll pretty much be using my fingers. I love to finger detangle. I really don't like to use combs because I feel like combs break my hair, and I'm definitely not using no afro pick because I feel like that'll really start breaking off my hair. But hey, people have different thoughts about it. You may see me use this as I get to the front of my hair and just to kind of pull the hair kind of up off of my scalp. But this is pretty much what I'll be using, the wide tooth comb and my finger. So yeah, so I'm just gonna let you guys kind of see how big my hair can get. So I'll kind of show you guys before. Boom. So y'all see how it's looking? And again, I do have that low porosity hair, so when my hair is moisturized, it's really moisturized. But y'all, once that moisture is gone, like after 4 or 5 days, my hair is pretty much back dry. Now it looks dry, but it actually feels very moisturizing. It feels like I still have product in my hair. So overall, my hair is still healthy. So I'm just going to begin to pick my hair up off of my scalp. So this is basically the first step on how I pick my fro. And I'm just doing this. That's it. And I'm doing it all the way around. I'm even doing it in the back as well. Just picking that hair up off of my scalp. Now I'm going to kind of work on one side, and I'm just fluffing out the curls. And I'll show you guys the difference that it makes when I fluff one side and when I don't fluff the other side. You can clearly see the difference in the definition, of course, because I'm taking out the curls, but you can also see the length and the shrinkage come undone once I begin doing this. And now I'm just going to use my handy dandy comb, and I'm just going to begin combing upward. I'm not going all the way out because my hair does really need to be detangled. I'm just lightly pulling with the comb. Again, I hate combs, so yeah. Now I'm going to lightly go back and comb the ends. I probably need to trim my hair. That's really what it's looking like. I haven't got my hair trimmed, y'all, since like February, so it's long overdue with the whole trim. just pulling in the front just to see. Whew. It's a lot of hair. It is a lot of hair. It almost looks like a wig. And basically this is it. You really just want to pull up and pull out, and then you kind of just want to shape your hair like this, and it'll kind of take that fro form. Oh girl, I'm looking like I'm in the Jackson 5, period. And you just want to lightly tap. And you'll see your hair is going to make the form. If you never tried this before, it's actually really cool and it really does work. So yeah. So I'm just molding it. Girl, I'm about to send my audition tape. Come on, come on. Come on, Jackson 5. And here's like a close-up. Y'all, my hair looks like a dang wig. This is insane. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how I pick out my big afro, and I get this Afro-centric look that looks just like a wig. I think it's pretty cool. Again, I do have type 3C/4A 4B hair. If you guys wanted to know my hair type, and if you haven't, check out my recent natural hair videos to kind of understand my hair more and kind of how I do things regarding my hair. But this is it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if y'all think my fro is popping or what. Let me know if I can go ahead and send my audition tape to the Jackson 5, okay? Period. I hope you guys did enjoy this quick video and seeing my hair in a different state. And stay tuned for more videos. And remember to give me a big thumbs up, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. That way you guys will be notified every single time I upload a video. So I'm going to see y'all later. Bye.